In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for PHP development. This guide will take you through the steps required to set up your PHP project, ensure Claude Code is installed, and begin utilizing it effectively for your coding needs. To get started, first open PowerShell on your computer. This application allows you to execute commands and navigate your file system. Once open, you need to navigate to your PHP project folder. You can do this by typing ctc your PHP project and pressing. If you do not have a project folder yet, you can create one by typing mega mypap followed by cd2 mypaps to enter this newly created directory. Next, you will create a simple PHP file in PowerShell. Type notepad index.php quote and press enter. This command will open Notepad where you can write your PHP code. In the Notepad window, enter the following code. This simple script will display hello world when executed. After entering the code, save the file by clicking File in the menu and then selecting Save. You can close Notepad once this is done. Now that your PHP file is created, you need to ensure that Claude Code is installed on your system. In PowerShell, type Claude-version and press enter. If the command returns a version number, this indicates that Claude Code is installed correctly. If it does not show a version, you will need to install Claude Code before proceeding. If this is your first time using Claude Code, you will need to log in PowerShell, type Claude login and press enter. This command will prompt you to log in through your web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions in your browser to complete the login process. Once logged in, you can return to PowerShell. To start using Claude within your PHP project folder, ensure you are still in the project directory. Type Claude and press enter. This command initializes Claude, allowing it to read your PHP files. You are now ready to use Claude Code to enhance your PHP development experience. Now you can begin giving instructions to Claude. For example, you might type improve my index.php file or create a simple login system using pure PHP. And MySQL Claude is designed to assist you with various tasks, such as fixing errors like undefined variable or converting your code to an object-oriented programming style.